Welcome back on this Thursday morning. Well, some pictures to share with you from the damage of the severe storms from yesterday evening. This picture was taken by Christy over at Hermansville. You can see the couple of trees were blown over and snapped and crossing the road there, as well as over at this property. This picture was taken by Austin. Also on that same property, what looks to have been maybe potentially kind of a storage unit of some sort. The roof completely ripped off there as well. Now, these folks who sent these pictures in reported that it was a tornado that occurred there. There is no confirmation on if it was a tornado. The NWS will be out there surveying the damage, trying to figure out if it was a tornado, if it was just straight line winds, or maybe if it was a micro burst. So you'll have to just stay tuned for updates on if it ended up being a tornado or not. In the meantime, we're seeing clear skies over in Marquette. It is a beautiful morning out there. We are in for a windy one today, a pleasant weekend, and then the oven turns on next week. We're looking at a hot one for Monday and Tuesday. Still seeing some thunderstorms downstate with that front. A few scattered rain showers just to our west with a secondary weaker front that'll pass right on over us, which will trigger a few light scattered rain showers. In the meantime, today there are some wind advisories for the tip of the Keweenaw and some beach hazards. We're looking at some strong winds. That'll create a high swim risk for Schoolcraft County, large waves and some strong rip currents likely there along Lake Michigan. Winds gusts will be out of the west and southwest, 30 to 35 miles per hour for most of the UP this afternoon, around 40 to 45 miles per hour in parts of the Keweenaw, and then the winds slowly start to decrease this evening. Here we go for your hour by hour. Just a few of these very widely isolated rain showers with that passing front. And then we're looking at some drier conditions with some sunshine for Friday and into Saturday. Highs today will range into the lower 70s to mid 70s in the south. And we're looking at some upper 60s and some low 70s in the northern sections. Now, overnight lows will drop down into the 50s for most locations with mid to upper 50s. Tomorrow, we will have a north and a south split for temperatures. So we're looking at mainly 60s in the north and then upper 60s to a few low 70s in the southern counties of the UP. This weekend, high pressure dominates for Saturday, more pleasant temperatures. Then on Monday, check it out. We're looking at 90s for the western counties and 80s for the east.